Mr. Speaker, I wish to thank the Honourable Member for asking this question. This question will probably enlighten him and enlighten other members who are not aware of the basis for choosing this figure of $4. I believe that's what he's asking. Honourable Speaker said, livestock disease compensation is made to farmers whose animals are culled as a result of it being singled out to that the particular animal has a particular disease. In this case, we're looking at tuberculosis and brucellosis. And these diseases are quite serious in the sense that it's also classified as zoonotic disease, that disease which can be transmitted from animals to human beings. Honourable Speaker, you want to go home early? Honourable Speaker, this compensation is for the value of the animals culled to help the farmers compensate for the loss of the animal, and also to help the farmers rehabilitate in terms of buying replacement animal. Honourable Speaker, this is a practice worldwide for the management of specific livestock diseases, because at the end of the day it is property of the farmer who have raised it to generate positive returns from it, either through selling that particular animal or through keeping it in case of dairy and selling the products from that particular animal. So it is a practice which is used throughout the world. Honourable Speaker, at the moment, as alluded to in the question by Honourable Member, we are paying $4 per kg of the carcass under an MOU signed in September 2018 last year between the Ministry of Agriculture and the Fiji Meat Industry Board, where the Ministry of Agriculture provides the grants to the Fiji Meat Industry Board, and the carcass is taken to the abattoir, and as soon as the carcass is taken to the abattoir, animal is taken to the abattoir, the carcass is weighed, slaughtered carcass is weighed, and the farmer is paid immediately on the spot. Honourable Speaker, this rate of $4 kg was determined in late 2018 when the average market price offered by the butchers to farmers for TV carcasses were around $3.50 or below. So to ensure that we do not discourage farmers, we decided, the ministry at that particular point in time, Honourable Seriratu was the minister, decided that they will peg the rate slightly higher than that. Honourable Speaker, in some countries these rates are revised on a monthly basis. Some countries the rates are revised quarterly or 6 monthly. We are looking at revising the rate later this year, but this is the rate which was the basis of determining the rate was at that particular point in time what was the going rate, which was around $3.50 or even less. Even it was $3 a kg at that particular point in time. Thank you.